Singapore's total population grew by 1.6% as of June this year to reach 5.4 million. That is the slowest growth rate in the past 9 years, according to the latest report from the National Population and Talent Division. There's a bit of a baby bonus as the total fertility rate crept up from 1.2 in 2011 to 1.29 last year.
There are now 3.31 million Singapore citizens, making up about 60% of the total population. Together with 0.53 million permanent residents, that's 3.84 million residents. Non-residents, mainly transient workers, number about 1.55 million, or a third of the total population. But the numbers also show that their growth has slowed down due to the tightened foreign manpower policies and weaker economic conditions. Growth in foreign employment in the non-construction sectors halved to 3.5% from the year before. The report said foreign employment growth was mainly driven by the construction sector. The number of new PR statuses granted has held steady at about 30,000 a year over the past 3 years, and these are mainly in the prime working ages of between 25 and 49. New citizens are drawn from this pool of PRs. Over the past 5 years, there have been some 20,000 new citizens each year.
You cannot just bring in people who are just already economically active. You also probably want to bring in the families, because families or children who will go through our schools, go through our systems, they actually get socialized when they are young, and that is very important.
Authorities said immigration is needed to balance an aging and shrinking population. Now, the number of marriages has gone up, but only slightly by about 2%. The total fertility rate has also gone up from 1.2 to 1.29, but that's still well below the replacement rate of 2.1.
I think a year ago, most people were looking at it as being the dragon year effect, and the fact is that we're seeing that kind of shift in all races. And it's not a major change. And hopefully when more of whether it's housing infrastructure, assurances that Singaporeans will be taken care of, healthcare issues, when they feel more confident that they'll be taken care of, I think people are more willing to embark into marriage and parenthood.
The government introduced an enhanced marriage and parenthood package in January this year to encourage couples to have more children.